Hi, welcome to my channel Creative IT Hacks. Today we will learn Microsoft Word hacks. Hack number 1, add generic text paragraph. In Microsoft Word, there's a fun trick you can try. Just type =rand in a document, and when you press enter, something surprising happens. It magically creates a random paragraph for you. It's like a hidden feature that Word has for a little bit of fun. Give it a try next time you are using Word, and you might be amused by the unexpected text it generates. Hack number 2, set up autocorrect rules. First, click File tab. Click on Options tab. A dialog box open. Then click on Proofing tab. Click Autocorrect option. Write your shortcuts like M, A, S, and in the next tab full words like Microsoft Word. Again apply this action like M, A, X. And in the next tab write Microsoft Excel. A, C, C. And Microsoft Access the click awk. Now write your keywords. In Microsoft Word's Proofing tab, you'll find a smart feature that helps correct and format your text as you type. It's like having a built-in editor by your side. Hack number 3, select specific group of text. In Microsoft Word, this nifty trick allows you to quickly highlight and manipulate text without the need for multiple clicks or dragging your mouse. You can use a handy shortcut by holding down the Alt key and then right-clicking on your mouse to select any text. It's like a shortcut to make editing and formatting your documents a breeze, saving you time and effort while working with text in Word. Hack number 4, fast remove formatting from text. In Microsoft Word, it removes all the fancy fonts, colors, and styles, giving your text a clean, plain look. Let's do some formatting. Select Formatting Text. And you can easily remove formatting from text by pressing Ctrl plus space bar. This keyboard shortcut is like a quick reset button for your text. It's a handy trick when you want to make your document look neat and consistent. It just removes simple formatting from text, not conditional formatting. Hack number 5, quick delete text. From Backspace key you just delete only one character. Let's undo text. Instead of deleting one character at a time. In Microsoft Word, you can speed up your text editing with a simple trick, press Ctrl plus Backspace. Let's undo text again. This keyboard shortcut acts like a turbo button for deleting words. Ctrl plus Backspace is a very useful shortcut for your daily work. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more informative videos.